Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Today we are going to learn how to disable automatic updates, the Windows updates. When we are working, suddenly the Windows update comes, or if it's taking too much time to update, it's really frustrating. I understand that. So to disable automatic update on your computer, we will be doing only two simple steps and it will be disabled permanently. So let's get started. So the very first thing, you just have to do a right click on the start icon and go to run and type services.msc and hit OK. So once you do that, a new window will appear. I'll just maximize it. Now select any of the application and press W and scroll it down and look for Windows Update. Just do a right click, go to Properties, and select Disabled, then Apply and OK. In this manner, you can disable it. And if you want to disable it permanently, we can do the second step. Press Window and R key, and it will open up the Run window like this. Type reg edit. So once you have typed reg edit, hit OK. It will ask you to say yes, so I'll say yes. And here, go to H key local machine. I'll just maximize so that you can see. And then go to software. Now here in software, we are looking for policies. And then Microsoft. And here we are looking for Windows. Now in Windows, just do a right click and go to New and click on Key and type Windows Update. Once you type Windows Update, just hit Enter and do a right click on that Windows Update and click on New. Select Key, type AU and hit Enter. And once you do that, select AU and at the right hand side, just do a right click, click on New and select DWORD 32-bit value and type No Auto Update. Make sure you do not give any space. So once you type No Auto Update, hit Enter or just click anywhere and just do a double click on that. Here we need to give value 1 to disable and hit OK. So in this manner, you have successfully disabled Windows Update permanently in your Windows 10, 7 or 8 computer. Guys, if you have liked this video, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.